is the dialysis brought by our government only. The Honorable Prime Minister, it is through his vision that this, all of this gets compensated, and the state's government's vision on dialysis to see that dialysis is made available to all the people. So we have been trying to increase it because it is necessary that certain specialties are outsourced. Coming from one by one to various issues that are raised, and then all the things that we have been doing in Goa Medical College. Cancers are like if I ask the department, they feel that because we are noticing it now, and this was not there earlier. And today we are in the process of making diabetes as well as cancer a notifiable disease by bringing a notification so that this has to be intimated so that we, and the diabetes registry and the cancer registry has the record what is happening in the state of Goa. And it has to be a comprehensive. Unless we do this, we will not be able to have a proper control on exactly what's happening. We are not trying to intrude into the data of any other hospital, but we are trying to understand what we have and what is the information that we have as a state, so that in case any policy has to be tweaked, then the Chief Minister can tweak the policy accordingly so that we are able to provide relief to the people. Today, it is because of the intervention of the Honorable Prime Minister and his office that we are getting the cancer hospital here. And I would like to share with honorable members is that we have already started on a fast track trying to see that these OPDs become more frequent. And it is not easy for Tata Memorial also just to come. They have also given us a total type of a structure. They have set the structure that we will operate. And this structure has been vetted and indirectly discussed by none other than the Director of Tata Memorial and the Prime Minister's office. And the Chief Minister will ultimately, it is he who has to overall give a shape to the structure and to the structure that they want to follow. They want to have an autonomous structure to run the Tata Memorial Hospital. I would like to share with you, going one by one, because this is quite in detail. I've been listening to every member, that they have said very categorically that we want to be of benefit to the state. And if we are procuring anything, like you talked about pricing, if we are procuring whatever stuff we are procuring for our hospital in Mumbai, we will ensure, because of that type of consumption that we are doing, that our rates are made applicable to you in terms of procurement. So automatically your rates are going to fall. And we will procure through our own common agency that is there. So then when we are talking of Tata Memorial, and it has got delayed because certain clearances were there, but we had started work, but certain environment clearance, I think their inspection has been fixed. I think this week inspection has been fixed. And this inspection will get done, and be rest assured that the agency which has been appointed in the next 18 to 24 months max, and before the next elections, we'll be in a position to commission this hospital. This has got linear accelerators to the new technology that is required, and we all know the type of problems that this cancer disease and type of testing. We have also given directions to Goa Medical College to see that an onco lab is immediately put in place. See, there are different types of things that are there. You want to have a focused approach on cancer. I think Vijay also has experience in his own family. I am experiencing that Foundation One, and there are several tests. When you talk to the doctors, they feel that Foundation One is a very expensive test. It's not easy for a state government to afford this type of tests, and we don't want to go into an area which we cannot sustain. But bloods also are used today in order to see that you're able to get an overall understanding of what is the type of area, what is the type of treatment, and what are the good pathways and what are the bad pathways that you need to follow. So you know exactly the type of treatment that you need to move forward. As we move forward, as the OPD start, we will also start getting more frequent visits of the doctors from the Tata Memorial. Getting doctors from the Tata Memorial will help us actually overall, and they are also helping us in taking doctors on contractual basis who have got experience, who are looking for openings, who Tata Memorial cannot adjust, that we will get those specialists and start working now only with them in our hospitals. It is not easy. आज तुम्ही सगळे म्हणता की आमकां डॉक्टर्साची गरज आहा, मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा आमी केल्या, एंड कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव चर्चा की गोंया राज्यान हेल्थ फॉर ऑल म्हणून साऊथ गोवा, नॉर्थ गोवाचे उलयना कित्याक GMC नॉर्थ गोवान येता, पूण सरकार हे आसा एक कमिटेड आहा की साऊथ गोवाच्या लोकांक आमी योग्य तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट आनी हेल्थ फॉर ऑल एंड प्रजेचे दारार आमी हे आरोग्य सेवा व्हरपाक आमकां यश गावतलें, आनी तुमच्या सहकार्यान आमी ते फुडें व्हरपाक सोदता. हांव म्हणना तुमकां की सगळे गोश्टी बऱ्या, एंड जर हांवें ऑपोजिशन लिडराचे सगळ्या गोष्टी जर आमी आयज विश लिस्ट जे तुमी उल्लेख केला, हे करपाक सोंपें ना.